That's just awesome. It's opening morning, I'm chasing brown trout, and there's no place I'd rather be. Wish me luck. All right, first cast of the season. Nothing. There's a fish. There's a fish. Feels like a nice one. Oh, nice. Come on, fellow, where are you? Looks like a brown. Opening morning, first pool. Oh, come here, fella. Oh, that's a nice one. First couple casts on opening day. Let me see if I can hold them up nice for you. I'm trying to keep them wet because I'm going to release them. Look at that. This is what I think about all winter. I'm going to get them released. Beautiful fish. That's just awesome. Second or third cast on opening day. My hands are frozen. That's a good sign when you're trout fishing in April. Let's see if we can't get another. All right, let's try this again. Oh, I had a hit. I missed him. Probably took my worm. Yeah, look at that. He took my worm. There's a fish. Got him. Oh, that's a nice brown. All right, get out of the current there. Beautiful fish. A little darker than the last one. Oh, nice. That is beautiful. Beautiful fish. I didn't have him hooked by much either. Oh, look at that. Today's gonna be a good day. It already is, even if I don't catch another fish. I'm gonna get him back in the river. There you go, fella. Whew. Let me show you what I'm throwing here. It's super simple. All it is a worm on a bait holder hook, and then all I have is a split shot sinker, just a couple feet up from it. And really all you're doing is just drifting this in the current as if a worm were to fall off the riverbank. There's still slinks in the river, and I have caught slinks on this setup, but it's way less likely, I find, compared to if you're throwing something really flashy. That's just what I find. That's what works best for me. The brown trout love it, and this time of year I just want to leave the slinks alone, let them get back out to the ocean. So oh, there's a fish. He got off as I was trying to turn my camera on. Oh. Throw it right back out. that sucks. I hate losing fish. I'm probably not gonna get him to hit again. Okay, I had to do some screwing around with my camera to put an ND filter on. So the pool's been sitting a little bit, hopefully it's settled down. I noticed the fish were biting at the bottom end of the run, so I'm wondering if they're sort of tucked along this bank right here. It's pretty dug out there along the bank, so I'm gonna drift a worm down the current and see if there's anything sitting there. Fish on! He hit it when I was reeling in. He was right up against that bank though, just like I thought. Oh, this one's more silver. Stay out of those bushes. Don't even need the net. Oh, this one's thick. Okay, I'm gonna get him right in the net and back in the water. Oh, that's a big fish. Well, I'm just so lucky this morning. That's a nice brown. He's the biggest one so far. Look at that. Oh. Nice fish. I'm gonna go out in the deeper water here. And send him off. Just when I thought that pool was done, I threw my line right in the current and it drifted all the way along the bank here. And I figured I was gonna get stuck or snagged on the bank, so I started reeling it in. And no sooner did I touch my reel and he smoked it. All right, I did not plan on staying this long at this pool, so I'm going to pack up because there's other spots I want to hit this morning. All right, well, I'm at the next spot. It's warmed up quite a bit. I had to put a lighter jacket on. The sun's coming out too, so I'm gonna try and sneak down to this pool and not cast my shadow over it. The browns can be really finicky. Let's go. Alright guys, I think I got a little salmon on here. Not the target. So I'm gonna try and just keep this brief. Looks like just a little one. Alright guys, I'm trying to keep this fish in the water. Oh, and there he goes. Alright, that was a little salmon. It's not what I'm here for. And of course it was right after I said I don't catch many salmon when I'm drifting worms. But anyways, I don't want to catch any more, so that was only the second cast in the pool. But I'm just gonna leave it in case there's more out there. I don't want to be hooking into them. So gave me a good splash, but he was released safely. We'll move on to a different spot. So I've been bouncing around a little bit trying to find a spot where there's no people. It's opening day, so there's tons of people on the river. But I'm at one of my favorite pools. I've caught plenty of nice early season browns here. The only thing is the sun's getting pretty high. It's 9:30 and it looks like it's going to be a bluebird day, so I don't know how the fishing's going to be. Apologize for the harsh light, but we'll work with what we got. Well guys, I don't know. Been at this pool for 10 or 15 minutes and a guy just came up from below me and was talking to him, and he hadn't caught anything down there either. I'd like to get one more before I head out and end the day on a good note. But we'll see what happens. Try somewhere else. I fished my way down this stretch here and not even a hit. So at the end of the day, I mean, I feel so lucky that I'm able to come out and do this and that I found something that I really love. I didn't even sleep last night. I think I got 3 hours just because I was so excited for opening day. I mean, to be out here on a few hours sleep and honestly feeling reinvigorated. It just goes to show how important it is to find things that you love and to go out and do it. Let's go to the next pool. Okay, the biggest brown I've caught out of this river came right out of this pool. It's kind of a funky one to fish though, just the way the current works. It always pulls your line back into there's one big rock. And I must have left 50 hooks in the bottom of that rock, but it's worth it. You can snag a big old brown. Nothing in that last pool. Bit of a lackluster end to the day, but definitely can't complain with those 3 browns first thing in the morning and then that salmon later on. If you're still watching, thanks for watching to the very end. If you liked the video, I have tons of other things planned this spring, so make sure you subscribe if you'd like to see more. Hope everyone has a successful fishing season. Make sure you get outside, and goodbye till next time.